Hi, my name is Dr. Charlotte and I'm with Alpine Fit Physical Therapy in Boulder, Colorado. Today I'm going to be going over how to foam roll out your quads and your glutes. So I like to use foam rolling as more of a trigger point release technique rather than just foaming the whole muscle throughout its length. So what most people do when they're foam rolling out their quads, or their lateral quads specifically, is they kind of use the whole muscle belly and they think of it as releasing fascia or some type of stretch. It's more beneficial for you to use it in a more static position. So what I mean by this is you're going to roll along that quad, you're gonna find a tender spot and use your body to your advantage, kind of leaning back, leaning forward, getting more in that position to where you're really feeling a tender spot, and then we're actually gonna hold that for about 30 to 40 seconds. So this simulates what we call a trigger point release technique that we do in clinic a lot. And this is gonna be much more beneficial for reducing pain and getting that muscle to fire better than just rolling our whole muscle over and over. So if we were to go down to our glutes, I'm gonna do my glute med here. Same thing, I'm gonna use my body to my advantage, find a nice tender spot, and then I'm just gonna hang out for about 30 seconds.